Hello, sir. Today I am here to present on a topic how vaccine work. So let's begin. First of all, I want to discuss some related terms. What is vaccine? Vaccine is used to provide immune to our body against any specific disease. What is vaccination? Vaccination is the act of introducing a vaccine into the body to produce immunity to a specific disease. Immunization is a process by which person or animal becomes protected or resistant against any particular disease. Next, next I will see how our immune system, how our natural response. The immune system use several tools to fight against infection. Now, our blood contain RBC and white blood cell. So, and in white blood cell, there we heard B lymphocyte, T lymphocyte, and macrophage. B lymphocyte is mainly make the antibody, and T lymphocyte kills the infected cell. So when first time any body encounters a germ, it can take several days to make the antibody. But whenever another type of cell, we also heard T lymphocyte and memory cell. What is the function of that? The body keeps few T lymphocyte called memory cells that goes into action quickly if body encounters same germ cell again. When familiar antigen detected, then B lymphocyte produce antibody to attack them, and this process takes lesser time. And now we will see what is a vaccine. Vaccine is a tiny weakened non-dangerous fragment of the organism and include parts of that antigen. It's enough that our body can learn and build specific antibody from introducing the vaccine. When we get the vaccine, our immune system respond same as when our foreign particle enters into the body. It sends the foreign antigen, then make the antibody and remembers that antibody for future. Sometimes after getting vaccine, there are some few minor symptoms and so like fever, and such minor symptoms are expected as body builds immunity. And now we'll see some types of vaccine which presently in our market. And what is the live attenuated vaccine? Live attenuated vaccine use living but weakened version of virus. And this vaccine works by allowing virus or germs to reproduce enough for body to make the memory B cells, which are type of cell that can recognize and remember virus and generate the immune response against it for many years after the initial. There are some few vaccine already in the market, and however this vaccine may not be suitable for the compromised immune system. Now we will see some inactivated vaccine. Inactivated vaccine is similar type, and it uses the strain of virus or bacteria that has been killed with heat and chemical, and their version of this virus and bacteria is then injected into the body. And here are some example which presently in the market, like flu and polio virus use this inactivated vaccine. Next, we'll see the viral vector. This type of vaccine use the same virus to deliver specific subpart of the germ of interest so that it can trigger an immune response without causing any disease. To do this, particular part of pathogen of interest are inserted into a safe virus. Like here I have mentioned influenza and VSV virus are used as a vector. The safe virus then serve as a vector to deliver the protein into the body. The protein triggers the immune response. And here are some Zika, flu virus, HIV are ongoing in this type of vaccine. Next, I will see some subunit, recombinant, conjugate, and this polysaccharide virus. These are the similar type of virus, and they can trigger very strong immune response in the body because they use specific part of the germ. And nucleic acid approach is a new way of developing vaccine, because the COVID-19 pandemic now had yet been through a full approval process for use in human. Because of this pandemic, research in this area has progressed very fast, and some mRNA vaccine for COVID-19 are already being used. So, and here I have taken some references I have mentioned. That's all. Thanks, sir.